the Earth, these balloons and teenagers all have in common. We're all filled with hot air.
However, it wasn't until 1904 when an Italian scientist named Piero Gennaro Conti first invented an electric power plant to harness this hot air into geothermal energy.
Geothermal is non-depletable, meaning it never runs out, like the rain.
So how does geothermal energy work, you may ask? Great question.
Let's find out!
Water is piped underground where it is heated into steam by decaying radioactive elements in the earth.
This produces steam, which then turns the turbines and in turn turns the generator, which makes electricity.
Geothermal is relatively clean because there's no combustion involved. So it doesn't give off any harmful pollutants like CO2. So it's great for tree huggers like me.
Geothermal energy produces 1/6 of the carbon emissions when compared to other energy sources, thus reducing the greenhouse effect.
There are concerns as to where companies should dispose of geothermal materials after harvesting them for energy. Disposing these materials in the wrong place can harm ecosystems and other wildlife. Specific hotspots for geothermal energy have the potential to cool down over time, thus reducing the amount of energy that can be obtained from a site, which leaves the longevity of geothermal energy in the balance.
So why should we switch?
Geothermal energy benefits local economies because workers are hired in order to maintain the plants.
No extra money needs to be spent because geothermal energy doesn't need to be refined or transported.
Nevertheless, geothermal energy cuts down on reliance on foreign oil because the U.S. is harvesting their own energy domestically.
In Iceland, 87% of homes are heated with geothermal energy. So in geothermal hotspots like Iceland, groundwater can be piped into radiators or heat exchangers can circulate cool liquid underground where it is heated and then returned to the surface.
Just like this dryer, that's hot.